Hi guys, this is teacher Ricardo, and today we're going to start working on unit number 8 from your practice book. Okay, so I'm going to switch screens, and here we go. Okay, as you can see over here, it says unit number 8, vocabulary, chores, and free time activities. Okay, circle the correct words. My mom hates to, and then we have two verbs, to do or to walk the dishes. Obviously, it's not walk, we're going to use do. Okay, number one, how often do you clean or walk your dog? Okay, now which one do you think is going to be the correct answer? What about how often do you walk your dog? You think that's the correct answer? Okay, let's continue with number two. Melissa and her cousins go or watch movies every weekend. Okay, what about watch? Does it sound like the correct answer? Okay, now let's continue. I don't usually do or go to the park. What's the correct answer? Okay, now you need to decide. This one is very easy. What about go? Okay, now you need to decide in your house, and we're going to be checking all the answers during the next virtual class. Now, number four. Do you want to clean or do your room now? Okay, so make sure you got the correct answer, and then let's continue. Sometimes I'm sorry. Sometimes Landon and I go or hang out with our friends after school. Which one do you think is the correct answer? Go or hang out? Okay, so make your best choice. And let's continue with number six. My neighbors always play or take out the trash in the morning. Okay, remember the meaning of take out? Okay, so make your best choice. And let's continue to the last one right here. 7. I can clean or play video games after doing my homework. Okay, so what's the difference between clean and play? Okay, which one makes sense to you? So now let's continue to the next activity right here. And it says classify the activities from activity 1. Which ones are chores? Which ones are free time activities? Okay, this is also very simple. You know the difference. Chores are the activities that you need to do in your house to help around the house. Free time activities is like activities that you can do usually with your friends to have fun. Okay, emotions. Remember the project that you had to do? Okay, in that project you had to choose the correct adjective and the correct emoticons or the faces that you had on the right side of your screen. Now, as you can see, we have 0, number 0, And look at the face, tired. Now number 1, across, okay? And then number 4, this one right here. As you can see, you have the emoticon right here. Okay, now you find the correct adjective and then you place that word right here. And then number 5 right here. And then number 3 right here. And that is going to help you solve the puzzle. Okay, it's very easy. You can practice in your house. And we just check the answers during virtual class. Number 1 right here, 2, 6, 7. Okay, this is pretty easy for you guys. You guys are very smart. Now, how do you feel? Complete the sentences. I feel bored when I do the dishes. Okay, this is somebody's opinion. Now, what about you? I feel when I play video games. How do you feel when you play video games? Okay, now you have to write it down on your workbook. Number 2, I feel when I fight with a friend. How do you feel when you fight or argue with a friend? Okay, you have to write down the word. Number 3, I feel when I get a good grade at school. How do you feel when you get a good grade? Okay, you have to choose the correct response or the correct adjective right here. Number 4, I feel when then you have to come up with a different feeling and your own idea. Okay, okay, good. Now grammar. Now remember, we have seen these grammar rules last class, so now we're going to practice again. Mark the sentences with a check mark or incorrect with an X. Rewrite the incorrect ones. My sister have to clean the kitchen after dinner every night. As you can see, we have an X right here, therefore it's an incorrect sentence. And because we are talking about our sister or somebody's sister, we need to change that for has. My sister has to clean the kitchen after dinner every night. Okay, this is also very easy for you guys. Then number 1, the teachers have to correct the test to give students the final grade. Now, if you think this is correct, you put a check mark. If it is incorrect, you put an X. And if you think it's incorrect, you have to fix it, like this one right here. Do you have to take out the trash at your house? Again, check mark. If you think it's correct. If it is not correct, you put an X mark. But you have to write the correct answer. Okay. Now this one right here. We have to do our homework before playing video games. Same thing, check mark or X. Remember that if you think it's incorrect, you have to write the full correct answer. Okay? Okay. How often do people have to go to the dentist? Do the same thing. Number 5, students in Japan has to clean their classroom. Okay? So what you have to do, all the ones that you think are wrong, you have to write the correct answer. The next one right here, read the chat and write sentences. Use have to or has to. Owen and John have to buy balloons, paper, cups, and plates. Okay? See? Now, you have to obviously read this information first, and then complete the sentences about Hunter, Katie, Julian, Alex, Kim, Gabriel, and Luke. Read the chat and write sentences. Okay? So it's going to be very easy. And if you have any questions, please send me a message through Classroom or through email. Okay guys, so that is going to be it for now, and see you guys next class. Thank you.